So we're kind of 0 for 2 on rides into Kansas lately. It's raining again today because that's apparently what it always does now on the weekends. So did not head down to Sabetha. Instead, once again doing the Lincoln ride. Not that that's a bad choice. There is currently moisture on the ground, so hoping that the paved paths in Lincoln dry out. They have incredible paths down there. Probably almost 200 miles of paved path. So it's not like we can't get in a decent ride. Not the ride that I necessarily wanted this weekend, but you know, you gotta improvise, adapt, and overcome. Weather threw us a loop, and we are going to do the best we can to make do with what we have. Take his grand tour of the place.
Oh, man.
Here's storage closet number 1.
No, that's my bedroom.
Oh, and his bedroom. That is where the magic never happens. So Dave.
Yes, sir.
You went and did a thing about a year ago?
Is this my safari?
Yeah, you sold your house
Yeah.
in Council, Tucky.
All right, so backing up about 2018, I got divorced, and after I got divorced, I was looking for a place to kind of just get away. So I bought a HUD home, a fixer-upper home to renovate / restore in Council Bluffs. So I ended up buying that. I lived there for 2 years. Got that pretty much all working, ready to go. And I just kind of, after COVID hit, realized I could work from home and I could work from anywhere. So I thought, well, why not find places to work that kind of feel like I'm on vacation every day? So I eliminated some places around the country and I arrived on Tucson. So last September, I was out of my house. Last October, I was in Tucson. And as of last Sunday, I was homeless until I arrived here on Wednesday. And that's when I moved in.
So to recap, you sold your home, became the youngest snowbird ever.
Yes.
And now you live literally in a shipping container. And your 2 constant companions have been cats.
Yes. One is right here, actually. He's hanging on the counter wondering what's going on.
Oh, he is.
Oh,
I'm here with Dave's cat. He doesn't have much to say, but he likes to sniff me. I think we're dating now. It's probably the most action I've gotten today. Hello, kitty kitty. How are you? Can you say hi? Oh, not the butthole. He's gonna show the butthole, so we're just gonna go away from that.
I mean, obviously, if you want to come up, that's totally fine. Echo cat? Echo cat. He's like, what the hell is he doing?
Modern appliances.
Yes, modern.
Let's see, what's Dave eating today?
Nothing.
Dave is eating absolutely nothing. Absolutely nothing in Dave's fridge. Dave is the true epitome of a bachelor.
nice refreshing cup of water for you.
So now that you have moved to Lincoln, what's your plan? Is this temporary? Is this permanent? Is Dave going to be a Lincolnite?
I'm here until the end of September.
And then what?
Well, and I'm on a wait list for a wonderful apartment in Tucson. So I won't know or hear anything from anybody there until probably July.
Check out those kicks, man. Those are some sweet, sweet cycling shoes.
Mm-hmm.
Where are you going? Don't know how, but now I'm healing. And it feels like you make me wanna show my feelings. Don't know how, but now I'm healing. And it feels like you make me wanna show my feelings. Don't know how, but now I'm healing. And it feels like you make me wanna show my feelings.
Two brand new Laufs in the Canyon biplane. There's Rafi. We haven't seen him in forever.
Just 1 year. It's okay.
Has it been a whole year? Oh, it's good to see you, Rafi. Pandemic. There has been a pandemic. I've heard of it. Ran into Carla and Rafi. Not like literally ran into him because that would be rude. But they came by while we were having our bridge beer. Haven't seen either one of them in quite a while. Rafi's been absent for, gosh, almost a year. So it was good to see him again. Day is not getting any warmer. Cloudy, had a few sprinkles. Hoping that we will not get rained on, but that is yet to be seen.
Okay.
Made it to Rockin' Joe's. It's a little bit chilly. The Mariveagle.
Just wonderful.
We got Roy. Roy's eating something. What are you eating, Roy?
Hang on. This is a chicken, bacon, hummus sandwich. It's delicious.
Chicken, bacon, hummus sandwich. That's a lot. That's a mouthful.
And bread.
Patrick, how are you?
I'm good.
Sarah, way over there. Douglas. Oh, Doug, do your hair, man. It's kind of messed up. There you go. Good job. So, it was a good ride. Never did get warm. Sun never did come out. But we didn't get rained on, so that is always a good thing. Got to see Rafi. Got to see Carla. Got to see Honeycutt. Haven't seen Honeycutt probably 6 months. Haven't seen Rafi in almost a year. Haven't seen Carla. It's been a while for Carla too. Not sure 6 months or a year, but it's been kind of a weird 12 months. So a lot of people have been keeping low, but it was good to see him. Ride was good, even though we didn't get any sun. Not much we can do about that. Little in-town coffee ride. It's always good every once in a while. Not every ride needs to be a marathon gravel session.